Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we're focusing on the S and Z sounds. So thinking about how we make these sounds, the shape of the mouth, as you can see from these images, is basically the same. When I make the S and the Z sound, my tongue is in the same position inside the mouth and the front of the mouth is in the same position. But the difference is with the S, I'm just making a hiss of air and there is no vibration in the throat. With the Z sound, we need to have some vibration. And that's how we distinguish between these two sounds. If you're not feeling confident about how to make these sounds individually, then the first thing to do is to check the description below. You'll see links to several other videos where you can practice these two sounds in isolation, and then you could come back here to do the workout. However, if you're feeling ready to begin and you feel that you are clear with the difference between S and Z, then let's get stuck in. So our exercises will follow the listen and repeat method. I will do the exercise and then leave a gap for you to repeat what you've heard. Each exercise will be done 3 times to give you plenty of practice. And yes, if you can, use a mirror to get some visual feedback. You might also want to record yourself on your phone so that you can get some audio feedback. It's entirely your choice. The most important thing really is to make sure that when you do this, you're repeating aloud, not silently in your head. Be brave, open your mouth, make the noises. That's the best way to proceed with pronunciation work. So let's go. S, 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 s. S, 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 s. S, 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 s. Now make sure you vibrate your throat. Z, 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 z. Z, 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 z. Z, 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 z. And now we're alternating between the two sounds. S, z, s, z. S, z, s, z. S, z, s, z. And now we're changing the order. Z, s, z, s. Z, s, z, s. Z, s, z, s. And now we'll double them up. S, s, z, z. S, s, z, z. S, s, z, z. And repeating but with the other order. Z, z, s, s. Z, z, s, s. Z, z, s, s. And now a longer chain. S, z, s, z, s, z. S, z, s, z, s, z. S, z, s, z, s, z. And the final exercise, same as before, but the other way round. Z, s, z, s, z, s. Z, s, z, s, z, s. Z, s, z, s, z, s. Great work. So now that you've trained with these sounds, you've got many options available to you. If you find it quite difficult to turn that vibration on and off, then it may be worth training with this video again. There are other sound combinations in this series where you're practicing the same idea of a voiced and unvoiced sound, such as practicing with the t and d sounds. So if that's something that you find quite difficult, then not only working with this video, but some of the others would be quite useful to you. So check out the rest of the playlist. There are also some links in the description below to videos which you might find useful for working on the s and z sounds. If you haven't already, then click to subscribe so that you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed your pronunciation work today. Keep up the good work and have a great day.